Hello creative people, welcome to my channel. My name is Zenaida and this is Fashion with Zenai, a place to inspire fashion lovers, to share my love for fashion and DIY projects. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take your own body measurement so you can use it to create sewing pattern. I really hope you enjoy this video and let's get started. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take all these measurements which you see on your left side of the screen. In order to take these measurements, you will need the following tools: measurement tape, pen, paper, or instead of a paper you can use my body measurement sheet from my Etsy shop. The link will be down in the description box. I suggest to have a mirror nearby which can be useful when taking your measurements, and wear something fitted when taking your measurements. And this is how I take my measurements. So this is the way I take my measurements. I use these measurements to make patterns for tops, dresses, jackets, and several other designs. I hope you find this video useful and valuable. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share, comment, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!